Hello everyone, today we're going to create an exciting project called Animal Party Animation. Get ready to bring bears, penguins, monkeys, and even a flying cat to life with cool costumes, funky dance moves, and awesome background effects. Let's dive in. First, click on the Choose a Sprite button and add our 4 stars. A bear, a penguin, a monkey, and a flying cat. You can find them all in the Scratch Sprite library. Now add a background spotlight. Next, let's style our animals with some party accessories. Go to the Costumes tab for each sprite. Use the costume editor to add hats, glasses, or party hats from the Scratch library. Simply copy the accessories and paste them onto each costume of your animal. Make sure to group each costume after pasting. Repeat this for all their costumes. Now they're ready to party in style. Now it's time to bring our animals to life. Let's start coding. Select the bear sprite. Go to the Events category and drag out a When Green Flag is Clicked block. This will make the animation start when we click the green flag. Then go to the Control category and pick a Forever block. A forever loop makes the code repeat indefinitely. Inside the forever block, add a wait 1 second block from the Control category. Finally, go to the Looks category and add the next costume block. This will make the bear switch to the next costume every second. Repeat these steps for the penguin, monkey, and flying cat. You can adjust the wait time for each animal to make their movements unique. Try 0.5 seconds for the flying cat for a faster effect. Now, go to the Backdrops code. Drag out a When Green Flag is Clicked block from Events. Add a Forever block from Control. Inside the Forever block, place a Change Color effect by 25 block from Looks and a wait 0.5 seconds block. This will make the spotlight change colors continuously, adding to the party vibe. No party is complete without music. Go to the Sounds tab and click on Choose a Sound. Pick a fun party loop like Dance Funk. Then add this code. Now, when the green flag is clicked, the music will play throughout your animation. Let's test our project. Click the green flag and watch our bear, penguin, monkey, and flying cat groove to the beat, showing off their costumes under the dazzling spotlight.